No, I've got a nudge. There we go. So this is only on 4S. It should have 6. So she runs super smooth. It will just literally just poodle around if you want. Or I'll get a full throttle now. And that's only on 4S that. It normally runs on a 6.
Don't you go quickly?
Yeah. 6S it does about 28 to 30 mile an hour. Yeah, this is on 4S and only a single battery on 4S this as well. Yeah, really efficient.
I lost it for a bit, you'll have to edit that. Sam took it out of my sight.
Very low that sun today, isn't it?
Yeah. We're really getting ready for the clock to change, aren't we, when it gets this low?
Yeah, there'll be fun. I've got to watch out for Jeff's little mini one there, that little yellow one, same boat.
Yeah.
Same boat, but a quarter of the size.